Get ready. Samsung's Galaxy S25 lineup is about to change everything we know about smartphones. Rumors are swirling as Samsung prepares to unveil the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the powerhouse S25 Ultra. With these launches expected in January, leaks and new details are dropping fast. From cutting-edge color options to staggering performance boosts, here's everything you need to know. But there's more. We're about to reveal some exclusive online colors that may be your only chance to own a truly unique Galaxy S25 model. Stick around for the full scoop. Let's start with those exclusive online colors. Samsung has a tradition of releasing special color variants, but this year's choices are something else. According to industry insider Ross Young, the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus will offer 3 extra colors for online orders only: blue black, coral red, and pink gold. And for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung's stepping it up with titanium blue black, jade green, and SLS silver. Imagine unboxing a phone in a color that no one else has. It's going to be a limited edition collector's dream. But that's not all. Samsung isn't holding back on the standard colors either. Here's a complete list of the colors expected across the models. The Galaxy S25 will come in colors like moonlight blue, silver shadow, sparkling blue, sparkling green, and more. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S25 Plus boasts a similar palette but adds an extra shade with its 5 core color choices. The Galaxy S25 Ultra takes things to a whole new level, offering a spectrum of metallic titanium finishes: titanium black, blue, gray, silver, and those special online exclusives we just mentioned. Which color would you choose if you could only pick one? Let us know in the comments, but there's even more to discover. Now, let's dive into the Galaxy S25 Ultra's leaked performance scores, and trust me, it's impressive. Hold on to your seats, because the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to shatter records. The US variant of this phone recently surfaced on a benchmarking platform, and the numbers are unreal. This model, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, just posted its highest scores yet. We're talking a single-core score of 3,148 and a multi-core score of 10,236. Compare that to its predecessor, and it's clear the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to be a beast of a machine. This isn't just a phone, it's a powerhouse in your pocket. And if that wasn't enough, Samsung might be experimenting with new processors for the European market. The Galaxy S25 Plus was recently tested with a rumored Exynos 2500 chip, posting impressive scores of 2,360 for single-core and 8,140 for multi-core. These numbers are promising, but remember, these early benchmarks aren't always the final story. Benchmarks can vary significantly as the device is refined closer to launch, so stay tuned for updates as Samsung polishes its flagship devices to perfection. Now, we did see some inconsistencies in early testing, with a few initial Galaxy S25 Ultra benchmarks coming in unusually low. But as testing progresses, these prototypes are showing massive gains in power and efficiency, hinting that Samsung is fine-tuning its hardware and software to push performance to the max. So while it's exciting to see these early scores, don't forget, the final product could be even more powerful than what we're seeing now. Samsung is clearly aiming to dominate the market with the Galaxy S25 series, and if the leaks are accurate, they're on track to do just that. What's your take on these new colors and the jaw-dropping benchmarks? Are you as excited for the Galaxy S25 Ultra as we are? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe for the latest Samsung news and leaks. Your support keeps us going, and we'll keep bringing you the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.